Good morning, Steve here in Chicago with the results of the March 31st USDA acreage and stocks report. USDA reports are always interesting and they're always volatile, and this is no exception. The USDA came out and estimated that U.S. farmers are going to plant 93.6 million corn acres this year. Last year they planted 88, and the average trade guess was 89. So the farmer, I think, sitting down with his banker, sitting down looking at all the different inputs, has decided that if he gets a good corn yield, he may not lose as much money planting corn as he would planting beans. Corn market's down 12 cents at $3.54. That's a new low for the move. And my opinion is that at some point in time, these prices are going to be cheap. And I would probably buy this into a summer weather rally. As far as the beans are concerned, they said 82.2 million acres. Last year, farmers planted 82.7. The average guess was 83, so just a little bit fewer bean acres. History tells us that especially in the south, where it's too wet to plant, we're losing kind of the window to plant maybe as much as a million and a half acres of corn, and so that might go to soybeans. And we'll just kind of have to watch this bean-corn ratio, and maybe a few farmers that were on the fence that might switch to beans with corn down about 12 cents. Beans are down about 7 cents and at $9. Again, you have a lot of dynamics in beans with our export demand slowing. China's corn policy may reduce some of their soybean imports, and South America having record supplies. And they still haven't sold that onto the market yet. So the beans are a little heavy right now, but we'll just have to kind of watch and see if anybody wants to push them down lower going into the growing season. Wheat acres 49.6, the average guess was 51.7. Looks like farmers are going further away from wheat because of the lower prices, and they may, obviously, or they could, put it in corn. As far as the stocks are concerned, everything was in line with guesstimates. 7.8 billion bushels of corn, that's another record. 1.5 billion bushels of beans, that's 200 million bushels above a year ago. And almost 1.4 billion bushels of wheat, and that's almost 250 million bushels more than a year ago. So the farmers got a lot to sell. So that $3.80 to $4 level in nearby corn is going to be a strong barrier unless we have a weather problem. $9 beans, $5 wheat. We don't need to trade over it with the stocks the way they are unless we have a weather problem. So now we trade weather, which is the biggest uncertainty in the market. So keep tuned, watch for our updates, and as always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.